Hey, Education Box here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be going over how to find the nth term of a cubic sequence. So, there are a few things that you will need to know before you start solving. So the general formula for the nth term would be an cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d, where 6a is the third difference, 12a plus 2b is the first term of the second difference, 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to the second term minus the first term, and a plus b plus c plus d is all equal to the first term. So let's take an example. Let's say we have the sequence 17, 59, 143, 287, dot dot dot. So as we can see, the differences between 17 and 59 and 143 and 287 are plus 42, plus 84, plus 144. And we can see that the differences between those differences are plus 42, plus 60. But we have to find the differences between those differences, which should get us to plus 18. And what we can notice here is that the differences of the sequence are quadratic. So, since the third difference of this is 18, 6a would be 18, which would make a equal to 3. So if we substitute a in our second formula, 12a plus 2b, we get 12 times 3 plus 2b is equal to 42, which means that 36 plus 2b is 42, which means that 2b is 6 and b is 3. Now if we substitute a and b in 7a plus 3b plus c, we get 7 times 3 plus 3 times 3 plus c is equal to 42 again, since it's the first term of the second difference, and the second term minus the first term as well. So that would get us to 21 plus 9 plus c is 42, which means that 30 plus c is 42 and c is 12. So we need to substitute the values for our final formula, which is a plus b plus c plus d, the first term, which is 17. So we get 3 plus 3 plus 12 plus d is 17, which means that 18 plus d is 17, which means that d is equal to negative 1. And if we substitute all of our values into our general formula, we get 3n cubed plus 3n squared plus 12n minus 1. Okay, so let's take another example to make this a bit more clear. So, let's say you have the sequence 0, minus 12, minus 52, minus 132, and so on. So of course, the first thing that we need to do is to find the first difference between the numbers in the sequence, which is minus 12, minus 40, and then minus 80. Then what we need to do is to find the differences between those differences, which is minus 28 and then minus 40. And then finally the differences between those differences, which should be a constant number, which is minus 12. What we can also notice here again is that the first difference is quadratic. Okay, so anyways, now we know that our 6a is equal to our third difference. 6a is equal to minus 12, which means that a is equal to minus 2. Then 12a plus 2b is equal to the first term of the second difference, which would be minus 28, which means that we get minus 24 plus 2b is equal to minus 28, which means that 2b is equal to minus 4, and b is also equal to minus 2. Then we need to substitute a and b in the equation. 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to the second term minus the first term, which is basically the first term of the first difference, which is minus 12. So we get minus 14 plus minus 6 plus c is equal to minus 12, which means that we get minus 20 plus c is minus 12, which means that c is equal to 8. Now in our final equation, we have to substitute a, b, and c to get minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 8 plus d is equal to 0, since 0 is the first term, which means we get minus 4 plus 8 plus d is equal to 0, which means we get 4 plus d is equal to 0, which means that d is equal to minus 4. And if we now plug in all of our values for a, b, c, and d into our general formula, we get minus 2n cubed minus 2n squared plus 8n minus 4. That was all for today. So you hopefully now know how to find the nth term of a cubic sequence. It comes with practice, because you also need to memorize all of these terms. And as always, thanks for watching.